Hey guys, so we're down here in Palm Bay trying to catch some fish. I got my cousin, she came all the way from Texas. She's here vacationing. I haven't seen her in 10 years. My father-in-law is trying a thing over there. I'm behind the camera, well, in front of the camera. I got no clue about fishing, so I'm just gonna stay in front or behind of the camera and let they do their thing. But this is the wilderness of Palm Bay. So much empty land. So here it is. We're here to catch hassa, armored catfish.
What's that one,
You're supposed to bring our gloves.
Dad, we
What
need
is
to
that?
get a little water for these guys, Dad.
No, that's a good size. Good, you have water.
Well, that's the biggest.
Yep.
Oh,
I'll put this here.
no, I don't.
What is that? Fish food?
What is that? You found it? You didn't?
You got a big one. What type?
Alright, no problem.
Big one.
Look, nice one up there.
Channel. So here is Joe. These people come all the way from Texas to catch Florida fish. Can you imagine? Right, Jordan?
Yes. Yes, we can pass them.
Okay, wait. I will go and get it.
Got anything?
Yeah, come. Come, get some up here. Where the bucket?
Up there.
Go get the bucket. Oh, you want me to go get it? I'll go get it.
Oh, you don't need the bucket, just carry the fish too.
Dad, can I come down real quick? Look at the carp.
Pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, Jordan.
Look at this guy, Jordan. This guy doesn't
Want to
scared.
bring it?
This guy doesn't scared of anything. Look at this guy.
Bring it.
That's anteater.
Bring it, Jordan.
What is
Jordan.
A carp.
That's not a carp.
Whoa. He just jumped out of my hand.
Is he feisty?
Yes. I'll make him fight something.
So we're in the wilderness of Palm Bay. And this is this guy force catch for hour. Okay, stop there,
Whoa.
see?
That's tilapia.
Nice ones.
Eat. Eat.
Yeah.
Better be careful because
The small
looking at
orange one.
those black one things, the get in your mouth.
Okay. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Okay. Let me see where you got you. What? A fish strike. What? Hassa?
Yeah,
Not hassa.
they call it smoke hassa.
Pizza.
Big hassa, man.
Yeah, let's send that to Josh. This is
Hold
the
on, hold
almond
on.
catfish.
Can I hold it? I want to hold it down.
Hold it.
That's
Hold it on now
nice.
to get a picture. Careful.
That's an armored catfish.
Let me see you.
Josh.
I'm holding an armored
video?
catfish.
Yep.
Hard. It's a little heavy.
What kind of fish is that?
A flaco.
A what?
Flaco.
Yeah, you smoke cigarette.
What, that thing is
Yeah, you smoke a cigarette, but this one about this cigarette can't hold it here. You ready to control that?
This guy is all the way over there catching fish. The sun is too hot. Not too many fishers. Okay guys, so that's the adventure of the day. It's over. Those guys at the back there, I don't know what they got. I'm gonna check the bucket just now. But came to Palm Bay. Well, I'm actually in Palm Bay. I'm staying in Palm Bay. But we came out into the wilderness, the swampland. Get some fish. So that will be the end of this vlog. Fishing in Palm Bay. How about that? That's a good name. Maybe that's what I'll name it. Fishing in Palm Bay. I'll drop a link of the location we went. It's a pretty deep end to get here from the I-95. So it's about 6 miles, about 10 miles in of the I-95. There you have it. See you guys until the next adventure.